Are your nails constantly breaking, looking dull, or refusing to grow past a certain point? Then this routine is exactly what you need. Imagine going from weak, brittle nails to strong, shiny, and healthy ones in only 3 days. Sounds unbelievable. Today, I'll walk you through my ultimate nail care routine to fix the most common nail issues and give you the gorgeous nails you've been wishing for. Let's begin. Step 1. Shape your nails to start. Let's give your nails a proper shape. Pick a style that flatters your hands, whether you prefer almond, oval, or square. The choice is yours. Grab a good quality nail file and shape them carefully. Always file in one direction to avoid peeling and cracks. A neat shape not only looks polished, but also reduces snags and breakage, making your nails stronger over time. Step 2. Lemon rub. Cut a fresh lemon and rub the juicy side on your nails and cuticles. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which boosts collagen and helps strengthen nails. It also lightens discoloration and makes them look fresh. Let the juice sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing this quick step. Instantly brightens and strengthens. Step 3. Warm salt soak. Now prepare a bowl of warm water with a spoon of salt and soak your nails for 10 to 15 minutes. Moving your fingers gently as you soak. This improves blood flow and supports nail growth. The warm water softens cuticles, and the salt keeps them clean and free from bacteria. Step 4. Push back cuticles after soaking use. A cuticle pusher, or wooden stick, to gently push cuticles back. Avoid cutting them, since that can cause infections. Keeping cuticles neat allows your nails to grow smoother and healthier. Repeat this daily for clean edges and well-kept nails. Step 6. Exfoliate. Nails mix salt with a little olive oil to create a scrub and massage it into nails and cuticles in circular motions. The salt removes dead skin, while olive oil nourishes and hydrates. Rinse with warm water. For softer, cleaner nails, exfoliate 2 to 3 times weekly for the best results. Step 7. Toothbrush trick. Combine a pea-sized amount of toothpaste with a few drops of lemon juice and gently brush over nails with a soft toothbrush. This treatment polishes the surface and keeps them spotless. Do this 2 or 3 times a week for shiny, natural-looking nails. Step 8. Garlic Boost Crush. Fresh garlic cloves into a paste and apply it on your nails for 10 to 15 minutes. Garlic is loaded with allicin known for antifungal and strengthening effects with regular use. You'll notice stronger nails that grow faster. Step 9. Overnight. Care for deep night repair. Mix olive oil, lemon juice, and crushed garlic. Apply it to your nails before bed. Leave it overnight and wash it off with mild soap in the morning. This mask helps restore strength while you sleep. Step 10. Moisturize daily. Finish with a thick layer of Vaseline, massaging it into nails and cuticles to lock in moisture and boost circulation. Hydrated nails are less likely to peel or break. Make this a daily habit for lasting results. What to avoid? 1. Nail biting weakens nails and slows growth. Try bitter polish to break the habit. 2. Harsh cleaning products. Always wear gloves to protect your hands. 3. Acetone-based removers. They dry out nails. Switch to acetone-free options. 4. Skipping hydration. Drink water and keep nails moisturized every day. And that's it. Besties, follow these steps, and in just 3 days, you'll notice longer, stronger, and healthier nails. Remember, consistency makes all the difference. So stick with it and enjoy your pretty nails. Before you go, if you want to stay organized and really glow up this school year, I created a Glow Up digital planner just for you. It has everything: skincare, self-care, workouts, sleep, daily planning, all in one place. You can use it on your iPad or print it at home, and it's super easy to follow. The link is in my bio, so go check it out and start your glow-up journey today. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips. See you in the next one.